You know how his dad died?
How?
You don't know how his dad died?
That died?
Holy shit! Like, so his dad was like even more like cooler than him. Like that's how he describes him. Like in what videos I've seen of about him, and it like this like from the article which I read like how his dad died. His dad and his mom were doing it, and he died mid.
That's a great way to work.
Yeah.
Die
I'm
hard.
like, what the Holy shit.
That's how you die hard.
Yeah.
Best Matthew McConaughey film to all of you is what? Or like whatever he's been in.
Dallas Buyers Club, Wolf of the Wall Street.
Okay.
Because
Pass up.
that's the only thing I've watched.
Best Matthew McConaughey.
Or performance, wherever.
But you vibe with the aura, right?
Of course, bro.
Performance बोलेगा तो
Some
True
pretty-
Detective.
True Detective was really nice.
Nice.
Performance is True Detective.
True Detective
If you say
and
movie-
Interstellar.
Interest.
Come on.
Yeah.
Obvious.
Obviously, yeah, but see the why Matthew McConaughey is Matthew for me is because of
Where he just pops
first,
up.
Yeah,
also.
first Wolf of the Wall Street and then Dallas Buyers Club.
Yeah. That range he showed at that time.
Bro, amazing, like bars. There are
Jared
very few
Leto.
actors who like ऐसा you would like give.
How
a
do you all
salute
feel
to.
about Jared Leto? Because Dallas Buyers Club, like he won a supporting actor,
Yeah.
right? For
Wait,
us.
there's one more for Matthew McConaughey, The Gentleman.
Oh,
The
yes,
Gentleman.
yes.
He was brutal in that.
Yes, yeah. There's no competition.
There's no
to
competition to
The
that.
Gentleman.
Because
yes.
it's it's just
I mean, okay. You were saying about Jared Leto.
Jared Leto.
For
Like-
me, I discovered him through Joker.
Yeah, same.
Oh.
Same.
I
That's the
discovered
only
him
movie I've
later.
watched.
What are you saying?
Discovered
I knew from
him.
30 Seconds to Mars. And I only heard one song, that's the Afrojack remix, that's it.
I heard the
I never really listened to the band.
What?
मेरे को इतना पता था.
The first song I
एक
heard
Afrojack
of
remix था 30 Seconds to Mars.
30 Seconds to Mars was Closer to the Edge.
Oh.
That song. And
Bro.
then I found out like, oh, this guy acts also. And then like after a few years passed, like, oh, he's going to be the new Joker. Like, what the
You
fuck?
know what the first movie was that I watched of him?
Which
To get into like what Jared Leto actually is.
don't say it.
Yeah. Requiem for a Dream.
Oh nah, I have ignored it. Somewhere.
And
Such
I
a
have-
nice-
Dude, I
It's an
haven't.
insane
I didn't
movie,
get.
bro.
I didn't want to finish the full. I watched like quarter of it, and I saw the direction it was going in. Like, no, this is like just too much for me right now in this moment. I do not want to watch something like this.
That
It
is-
ends bad for everyone. Like
I've
nobody
heard.
wins in that shit.
I've heard.
Bro, after watching that movie, na, I didn't want to do anything. Like cigarette bhi पीने का मन नहीं. It's like what if someday
I do wanna watch that movie.
I'm that guy.
I haven't watched it as well, but
Because
I
bro,
don't know.
it started so innocently for him and Jennifer
Yeah.
Connelly का जो character है. They're like lovers who are doing heroin and stuff
Yeah.
like that. They're like young, good looking, they be fucking like crazy all
don't
the
give me
time.
spoilers.
It's Jennifer
Really?
Connelly's fucking.
तो ठीक है, तो फिर मैं जो बोलने वाला था
बस
spoiler.
प्लॉट दे सकता है तो just don't give the spoilers.
No, yeah, that is a
No,
spoiler.
no, no.
Just
Just go blind and.
Yeah. Okay.
One movie I've gone blind in and have always kept that mentality if I'm approaching a movie which I've not watched at all, but it's critically acclaimed. Seven.
Oh yes.
Insane.
Seven was insane.
Insane.
bro. Seven was the reason why it established that
Fincher.
Brad Pitt can like
Hmm.
pull off like any aura he wants.
Sorry.
छुपा के रखा था मैं वो.
So you
No,
guys
Brad-
haven't?
ना मैं movies नहीं देखता बहुत
Bro.
rarely
Bro, Brad
movie
Pitt
देखा.
can pull off so many characters and so many different
Bro,
This-
watch Snatch, bro.
oceans.
Oceans we must say.
Oh,
Interview
and he
with
has
the
a
vampire, bro.
signature
I don't know
thing
what's
which
Snatch.
bro, he has a signature thing which I really love is snacking onto
Like,
things,
yeah.
bro. Because it's like
Speaking of Brad Pitt movies like F1, anyone's
F1,
watching
yeah.
it?
yes, I'm gonna watch
I want to
it.
see if there's snacking in that.
Yeah,
also.
yeah.
Like that has to be there, right?
Bro,
Bro,
it's by the same
it's-
director as Top Gun Maverick,
Yeah.
so it's
Oh.
going to be amazing.
Bro, it looks amazing. The cinematography जो है पूरा from the sounds to the.
I'm going Saturday. Let's fucking
Nice,
go.
nice.
Saturday
Apple
night.
brought out a whole haptic trailer, bro. That is
Yeah,
so
yeah, yeah.
cool.
We all did
No,
that
watching
shit.
Yeah, yeah.
All of us holding
Oh,
the
yeah.
iPhone like.
Figuring that shit.
I vibrate.
Coming back to movies, like experiencing movies has become such a niche hobby now. But
Not
it
for
never,
me. I don't watch movies at all.
No, like in general perception is that it's become such a niche hobby now because it used to be like mainstream entertainment like right 10 years before, I'd say. Yeah.
Entertainment got saturated as fuck.
Oh my
Bro,
god.
like see, my father tells me about his time, like how they used to watch movies. Like that was the shit. You know, if there is a nearby theater, there will be tickets which will be sold in ऐसा black
Yeah.
picture, ऐसा 3 महीना चल रहा है.
Yeah.
People are going crazy over the fact that there's a Devanand movie out there or maybe a Amitabh Bachchan movie out there. So there's so much experience revolving around the whole movie watching that activity,
And
and
that,
it becomes so memorable to you. So like my grandmother also tells me that how my grandfather used to pull him in the middle of the day ki, okay, we are going to watch movies because you have scored tickets. Aisa.
It was that
Yeah.
valuable.
It was that valuable because that's the only form of entertainment. Like what pop culture and content is for us now, that was content for them. So that held so much value. Aisa. Ki that they are then again after going to the theater they are like recording the background music and everything. That is you have to be a fanatic about the fact that you like that form of content so much that you are putting so much effort in.
Yeah.
And which years were these again? 70s? 60s?
Not that far. This is
80s.
late 80s, 90s.
I have so much more to add on to this. Like you, this is your first time like at my place,
Yeah.
and my mom is like if you like walk maybe like a minute or a half, that's where she grew up.
Okay.
And she's told me stories like about how this place has gone from what it is now, what it is then and what it is now. And I understand the history and importance of living over here in this very household which you are.
Yeah.
My dad was born and grew up in.
Oh wow.
Yeah, like so it like my dad's family of 5 other siblings.
Oh.
Yeah, in this
Crazy.
household, like, lot has changed, but like coming back to the cinema aspect of it, which I
Yeah.
wanted to focus on. But this comes from my mom's side,
Yeah.
and she used to tell me like, so there's a cinema right over here called Lido,
Yeah.
with this which is PVR. Now the thing about Lido Cinema was it was closed for a very long time long ago, but prior to that, when it was functional, my mom and her brother sometimes they used to sneak into that like to
Oh,
watch
yeah.
movies, and like the guard like knew like they are just kids and all.
Yeah.
They would sometimes let them in also, you know, like
Okay.
like there's not much people over
Ah.
here, you'll come in, and they used to like
Yeah.
that was the way they pass time. And she used to like tell me stories about their old neighbors, like they didn't have a TV at home,
Yeah.
so they would go to their house to like just
Oh.
watch TV in black and white.
Yeah.
And then they like finally once they got color TV, like other people used to come home,
Oh.
like all these things just for the sake of entertainment and cinema.
Yeah.
And like so much they adored like Bollywood actors
Obviously.
because that was the only form
That
of
is
entertainment.
the pinnacle. Like you realize.
You're in Mumbai, and at that golden age you could call it
Yeah.
of cinema then.
You're seeing Bhai do his color shenanigans, and you're seeing
Yeah.
Mannat being bought.
Yeah.
There's
Again.
so many different things, bro.
So many aspects.
Like.
Where's Bob? Oh.
He's again.
That's your
Yeah,
bag,
but
yeah?
again-
Yeah, like I told you, the sweat of it.
Bro, and people also hold the value for these movies a lot is also because it brought people together, I feel. community meant a lot back then because that was the only thing you were interacting with us,
Yeah.
spending
On a
your,
common basis.
on a common basis.
Aside from
yes.
sports, maybe.
Yeah, like I wouldn't say sports because sports becomes a very national thing too.
Yeah.
But movies weren't accessible to everyone.
Yeah.
You're right.
Do you realize?
Yeah.
Like
Yeah.
right now, anyone from a third tier city could also be watching Interstellar.
Ambani.
Because Jio
Hell yeah.
घर 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 जियो जो हुआ है उसके
Yes,
बाद
bro.
मेट्रो में नेटवर्क नहीं मिलेगा.
नहीं जियो तो मिलेगा.
जियो में मिलता है भाई.
Yeah, that's what Jio's telling everyone. मेट्रो में नेटवर्क नहीं मिलेगा तेरे को. Only Jio. Yeah, back to your.
Yeah.
this.
So I think that maybe like that the whole micro community aspect to the whole thing also added to a lot of fun. Like there's this club called fuck, it's his Instagram
Fuck.
page. Not fuck, yeah.
That's a good club.
What do they do there?
Oh,
Let me
I
guess.
wondered.
Let me guess.
Fight.
Bro, it's called the Secret Cinema or something,
Secret
bro.
Cinema?
I don't know. It's a Bombay-based movie club, and they do like private screenings of these like cult classics like Gangs of Wasseypur,
Oh, damn, I would love to go.
Devanadan,
ये तो
all the best. ये
कहाँ
सब.
पे ये जगह?
So I don't. They do it like super private. Like they have like limited seats. They probably host it at someone's place or something like that. But the fact that there is a niche thing that is niche activity that is happening around this also makes you wonder that how consuming content has evolved. Like people have an option to say that they don't watch movies, but do you think you would have survived if you were in our father's age?
Chance ही नहीं.
छुट्टियां में गिनती होती थी तेरी.
Like what the fuck are you doing there when you're not watching movies? You're making a bomb or something, right?
वो टाइम पे क्रेज था यार.
Yeah.
अभी
And
क्या
like
है, अभी-
actors are treated as gods, bro.
अभी क्या है तू एक स्क्रॉल करेगा तो तेरे को 100 मूवी दिखेगी. अभी मैं चूज क्या करूँ इसमें से? वो टाइम पे एक ही चल रही है.
You don't have the choice.
Bro, वही है ना, like
और तेरे पास दो ऑप्शन है भाई, या तो राजेश खन्ना या तो अमिताभ बच्चन. किसको चूज करें? वो बीच में देव आनंद आ रहा है.
The people used to make records कि मैंने I watched the, so as you said 3 months के लिए movies रहती है. I watched this movie for like 70 times. And that's like a thing to boast. Like I got to watch this movie 70 times.
access, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah, so the same is with also every FMCG or fashion product which was out there. My father tells me that if in the 90s you are wearing a Nike shoe or if you are wearing a Puma t-shirt, there is no doubt that it's fake because the concept of fake hasn't come in. If you're wearing a brand and if a logo is being shown, it means that the person who's wearing it, it's probably the original piece. While how here we have the first doubt which was, do you think those are copies? The concept of copies was not there, bro. So you realize
That's
what
right.
kind of a flex it was back then to maybe own a Mercedes or Mercedes तो ठीक है अभी भी तो नहीं बोल सकते that is a different thing. But like
Especially a clothing brand. Yeah.
let's say Ralph Lauren
Yeah.
or let's say the most copied products Nike. ठीक है तू पहना है और भाई तेरे को लोग इज्जत दे रहे हैं क्योंकि उनको समझ रहा है कि ये कुछ हाँ even the food you are eating bro like
Yeah, yeah.
chocolates हो गया कुछ हो गया तो accessibility was the flex back then.
Yeah.
Right now it has become more towards how much more accessible you can get Vessel.
Guys, by the way, this guy has passed the fuck out in my arm. So, yeah, welcoming
Scott
Scott
D'Souza.
also to the podcast. And yeah, curious
Curious
about-
Coach.
Cat plug had to be, you know, Cat plug had to be. He's here for the vibes.
Which movie?
Fuck. I have a very niche movie experience which happened recently.
Oh, yeah.
Have you all heard of the A24 film called The Monkey?
Oh yes, Dev Patel.
Ha.
Monkey Man, right?
No, no, not Dev Patel, not Monkey Man. This The Monkey. It's that guy from. Have you watched Divergent? Just if you'll search it up, you'll will see the actor. But it's like this haunted monkey, like it's a horror movie that like it haunts this like twins, and anytime it's wound up or like once it chooses a person, it will start killing anyone like around them. That's like basically the story of it. And I was very interested of about this film the second I saw it. Like, okay, this looks like a cool like fresh take on some horror like in a while. And the director is the son of the, you know, you seen Psycho, the original Psycho,
Yeah.
the actor's son.
Oh.
That's him. He's the this what do you call director of the film. थोड़ा nepo भी आ गया उसपे, पर he's done a very good job. And the niche part of it comes where I get these ads where like win tickets, and I like, you know, fuck it, let me try it. And I tried to this, you know, it asks a few questions here like, have you been excited about this, like how did you hear about it and whatnot, like general question. And it was 2 tickets to watch a exclusive screening. I'm like, okay, niche, like what is going on, like in Mumbai, like okay, maybe we've reached that level at this point.
Yeah.
And surprisingly, I won the tickets, but like the timing and all of it was a bit fucked. Where like I told my friend, like if you're going for it, it's let this. It's very last moment, whatever.
Yeah.
But they've given the tickets, and like there's like a meetup and all, like with all the people, thematic and all that shit. Like a proper emailer
Yeah.
was there, like from this company. I forgot the name, like, but I can like show you about it later. But I was like surprised, like I checked their Instagram page. They've done this like so at so many destinations, like in Delhi, in Bangalore, and whatnot. And wow, a niche community of like cinema people in like.
Oh yes, it is a very
It
real
is
thing.
nice to like just see that part that is
Yeah.
like, you know, still alive, and you could actually tap into it
Yeah.
if you wanted to.
I mean, in the latter generations, I feel that the cinema was more
Aye.
towards.
Hey.
Oh, it's
Joining?
I'll come in a bit.
Okay,
I'll have
okay.
something to eat and I'll come.
Yeah.
You can have the noodles which are there.
How's it going?
Oh, it's going nice.
Is
Good.
it?
Nice.
What? We look what?
It's a podcast.
It's proper contrast. Anyway, chalo. You guys have fun.
Yes,
I'll eat and I'll come.
Yeah.
If we last till then,
Yeah, butter.
Where were we?
we were at cinema. Like,
Oh yes, cinema. Yeah, I think in the latter generation, especially 2000s, I think it was more of a social activity. Like people are going out to movies in order to like getting to know each other, everything. Like once you would become friends with someone, the first thing you would propose is like, let's go to a movie or something like that.
oh,
So even he has things to add, bro.
what do you have to add? What do you have to add? Oh, sorry, boo boo. Here you go.
Yeah.
Right, question: what was the first movie y'all ever watched in a theater?
Krish.
कहो ना प्यार है.
No, I watched Tararambam, yes, not Krish.
कभी खुशी कभी गम. It's either of those.
मैं हूँ ना.
मैं हूँ ना? Oh my god, I feel like a very oddball over here now.
You are very young too.
Harry Potter and the Order of the
Oh,
Phoenix.
man, the fifth part.
Fifth part.
Is it good?
Because wait, give little
When
context.
did the part come out?
That was very later on.
So why
I'll tell you why.
There are no
Because
theatres in
Saudi
Saudi.
Arabia. Yeah, exactly.
Whoa.
Yeah, you fucking
Yeah.
guessed it quite
There are no
right.
theatres in Saudi, bro.
What?
What the fuck?
At that time, like it came like post 2015-16.
Itna late?
Itna late, bro. Like that country has developed so much in recent times. It's like, holy fuck, this is like becoming a second Dubai, and it'll become it eventually.
Were there
Like-
no movies?
Yeah, there were no cinemas,
Bro,
and I was
You need to
the.
understand
So
one
you
thing
were
that-
oblivious to the fact that there was cinema.
I knew there were cinemas because I.
Yeah.
Like I knew, but I knew like they told me like we don't have it over here, Julian.
We don't do that.
You
Bro,
told
the
me.
Yeah.
thing is, na, that they follow Islam by the book, and the
Right.
problem is कि उसमें it's not a problem for them, but it's haram for like music and movies and stuff.
Bro, then what is Sufi?
It's different because you're talking about God, Allah. So whatever you're doing, it should not take you away from.
Allah.
Yeah, it should bring you
Yeah.
closer.
Yeah.
Crazy.
As far as
But
I'm-
not having movies is,
Yeah.
especially in your prime childhood.
Dude, one of the like cool things that we used to do as
But you
kids.
watched movies, right? They
Yeah,
were not
yeah,
cinema.
of course.
Ah, but
movies.
Again,
theater
we
में-
were on the topic of like experiencing theater.
The first movie he watched was Order of Phoenix, which made no sense.
The only movie which made no sense.
No, I watched all the movies prior
Thanks.
to that.
Still, but still, Order of
Yeah,
the Phoenix
Order
did
of-
not
because it
make-
went very off the book, bro.
Yeah.
It was a very
Yeah.
badly made
Bro,
movie.
J.K. Rowling also is a homophobe, right?
Yeah. It came on later.
Okay.
Transphobic, yes.
Transphobic.
Came very
You
later
know the
on.
best part is that she's relentless. She'll never be like, I'm sorry, whatever.
Ah,
Fuck you
because,
all.
uh,
unapologetic.
That she is a billionaire.
Yeah, I mean,
She
by
gave
writing,
away the status
bro.
apparently by donation.
You can
Oh.
never win an argument with someone who has made billions writing things. Like they are good at that shit.
They have the right to stand their opinion.
Yeah.
अब कहानी है?
Dude, Hogwarts Legacy.
Oh yeah.
We'll like
I mean,
post.
lot of people's childhood are based on the fact. उनका 8-10 साल तो यही personality रहता है Gryffindor.
एक तो like
Potterheads.
I'm not shitting.
I know. I still know people
But-
who are like 30 and they're Potterhead. Like fuck you, bro. Like, काम पे जा लौटेंगे.
But have you like read the books?
Yeah, I have.
Hamleys में क्या धुन
Who's
है?
read the books?
I've read some of them.
All.
Bro, I've not even watched all the movies.
I've watched all the movies of them.
Quite.
What the
Yeah.
They only-
After that
Order
big
of
ass
the
book,
Phoenix.
I was like,
Like, did you watch the film and understand like it's very
yeah, but the
inaccurate?
thing
So you
is that
read
as
the book.
speedrun, I do not credit myself for reading all the books is also because the last 2 books. Yeah,
Deathly
the
Hallows.
last 3 books. Curse of Child also.
Whoa, the one which
Yeah.
is
Script one.
Hmm.
I like read those in a manner that I do not remember, so that I do not like I don't give myself a credit उस वजह से.
I have not read that. I mean, I've not read any
Yeah,
of the.
it was
Harry
as
Potter
good
books.
as not reading वैसा.
Bro, the best Harry Potter book is the 4th one, Goblet of
Goblet
Fire.
of Fire.
It's also arguably the best movie.
Oh yes.
But bro, the book, it's amazing. I've read the first one, 4th one, and the last one, Deathly Hallows.
Yeah.
The 4th book is amazing.
Fourth book was good. Even the visuals are so good because so J.K. Rowling wrote all the books in a manner that she knew that even her audience is growing. So the first book is very in a way that it resonates with a lot with the younger audience. And the second book becomes a little
Philosopher's
dark.
Stone.
Second book becomes a little dark. Third book तक थोड़ा serious हो रहा है सब shit.
Serious black आता है ना.
Serious.
Third book में ही आता है.
Wait, like very stupid question.
Yeah.
Like, but there's like 2 variations: Philosopher's Stone
It's
and
the same.
Sorcerer's
It's the
Stone.
same. It's
I
the
know it's the same thing, but like, which is the US and which is the UK?
Harry Potter और पारस पत्थर की.
Yes, bro.
Philosopher's Stone.
Shut up.
Philosopher's Stone is the book. Sorcerer's Stone is the movie.
Okay.
Yeah. So
Fair.
this.
I thought it was like a UK English, US thing.
Fourth became dark.
Oh, Goblet of Fire.
Because that's
My
it.
boy!
Bro. But that's the only movie. I think there's one more, but that's
Okay,
one of the
just
2
wait
movies where Harry hasn't played the Quidditch. He was disqualified from the
Yeah.
tournament.
What?
Yeah, he was in the Goblet
yeah.
of Fire. He didn't play the
He didn't
Quidditch.
play it.
Because of like.
I
the
think he was
name going in.
disqualified or he was injured. I don't remember.
Bro, the
But
first
yeah.
Goblet of Fire was Triwizard tournament. He had that first इसमें गिलीवीड. उसमें भी कुछ साउथ में जाता है उसके दोस्तों को धर लेते हैं.
हाँ.
भाई. ठीक
It's
है.
alright.
And second was the Yule Ball or something. Third is when this shit happens. नहीं, there was one more activity in between.
The dragon.
I don't remember.
The
now.
maze.
The dragon wala.
Dragon
Oh,
wala.
Conquering
The
the dragon.
golden egg.
Yeah.
Yeah, the golden
Yeah.
egg. ठीक है. But ठीक है, eventually it comes down to the maze, and the maze में this guy drops. ठीक है.
He who should not
Miss
be
you,
named.
Danish bhai. Yeah.
बोले भाई.
And then that's the first time we see Voldemort in his element after Philosopher's Stone.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, first time.
Philosopher's Stone was crazy, bro. That removal of his turban, that was crazy. And as a child, I was like
What the
6, 7 at that time. So I grew up with Harry Potter.
Oh.
Bro, looking at that, it was like, oh, ये वो निकला, like, fuck, it was
और
crazy.
ब्रो वो टाइम में जब क्रिसमस आती थी ना तो बच्चों सच में ऐसा लगता था ठंडी लग रही स्वेटर
Yeah,
पहन के
bro.
पूरे अभी तो लगता है भाई लगा दे एसी दिसंबर में भी
Global warming is a real thing.
It's a
guys.
real thing.
Bro, you
झाड़
know-
लगा बिडू.
You know, bro,
Honestly, yeah.
like this might be embarrassing, but I think when I was 9 years old, that's when I realized that Santa is not real. At 9 years old, because I like did the math like कल मॉम ने यहाँ पे बोला कि सॉक्स सुखा रही है और आगे गिफ्ट आ गया हम लोग मार्केट गए थे तब वो 1 मिनट के लिए कहीं भी तो रुकी थी
मैंने वो Hot Wheels का ट्रैक सेट बोला था वही ही
Yes,
कैसे
bro.
आया
bro this
You know,
this
that
was the
means your
Christmas-
mom was super sweet to like pull that off for 9 years, and
No, no,
then
no.
she was like, "Fuck you, bro."
Yeah, I mean, see,
Bro.
this was the year she was like, hey, you need to figure this out for yourself because socks में क्या होता है dairy milk crackle.
तो I
That is
तो
my
knew
Christmas
from
gift.
the
I was like, okay.
जितना कॉन्शियस मेमोरी है कि जब रीजन करना आ रहा था कि सांता रियल है कि नहीं, तब समझ गया था कि सांता रियल नहीं है क्योंकि I have Malu Christian friends. I used to go for carols. ठीक है. There used to be this guy who used to dress up as Santa and dance and then come back to the bus and pop
Melody,
a beer.
melody.
Pop a beer, bro.
Santa also needs to chill, na, bro.
He's like removing his attire. I'm like, I'm heartbroken.
Voldemort.
bro.
Eggnog in India? What do you mean?
At this, I don't know.
No, but for like us, it's like Catholic household. We know it's like birth of Christ. That's more like the focus. But like, okay, tree and all.
Yeah, marketing
Like,
है.
this is like that fun as like the fun part of it. We'll do the religious part of it. We'll do the fun part of it also. Like, but like it holds some religious significance in some way. Like very dur se, but then it also shows the marketing part of it.
Yeah.
So it's like everyththing's blended in one thing where you're like,
It's like
You
how
know,
Hallmark invented birthdays.
yeah.
Uh-huh.
Like, but your holidays like Valentine's
Yeah,
Day, like
Valentine's
they
Day.
marketed this.
Yeah,
shit.
they did not invent birthdays. Birthdays were a real thing.
Yeah, I guess we all
Yeah.
did, but
But like, yeah, Valentine's Day.
Yeah,
Shit.
so like at the like Christmas was for fun like all the time like for us like
It's
families
a core
together.
memory, na. Like,
Yeah, families together.
for
it's-
all Christians, I know Christmas always has been a very core memory.
Yeah. My cousin's born on 25th December.
Oh, yeah.
So like some of the Christmases were like spent at his house and we would sing like happy birthday to him and happy birthday to Jesus also. like wow, let's go.
what's his name?
what
Not
is
Jesus,
close?
of course.
It's not Jesus, but it starts with a J.
Nice.
like it's
John.
close words. Like it's generic
Good enough, good
It's
enough.
very generic enough.
Jacob.
Joshua.
Oh! John.
Spilled. Bean spilled. Zero pressure. But yeah, like it was like fun times. Like all our cousins and all would meet up. Like his family also from his dad's side because related through the mother's side. Like aunt is dad's sister. Yeah.
So even I have a friend called Mark, and for the longest time, my friend.
Everyone has a friend called Mark. Do you?
Not a friend
No.
of him. I know someone named
at
Mark.
my first workplace.
Everyone always knows a generic as
Yeah,
well.
yeah.
so
Go on, Mark.
okay, but mine has a little twist to it. So my parents were also like, okay, nice, bro, as a Christian friend. Bro, after 2 years they find out that Mark ka surname Sharma hai.
Even I have a friend, bro, Kevin Gala. Like,
Bro, but
Huh?
Kevin is a very generic name in
It is,
Gujarat.
yeah.
So you can
Huh?
pull that
Yeah,
up.
In
Kevin,
Gujarat?
yeah, in Gujarati.
Why?
Kevin, yeah, bro. I don't know why.
Why?
Kevin,
Yeah.
Kevin.
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 Yeah.
Kevin.
What
It's
is
the same
Mark
spelling.
Sharma?
Neil, Kevin.
Neil also, yeah.
I know
नील
this.
वो अलग नील है रे but
That Neil is
वो
yeah.
NEL नील है.
And,
Yeah.
Only Kevin.
but Kevin, like
Not
why?
Kevin,
Why?
Kevin.
Why are there so many
Kevin.
Kevins in like?
वो उसको claustrophobia है. Everything caves in for him.
I'm so
Kevin.
confused. Why are there so many
Kevin is
Kevins?
still fine, but Mark Sharma.
Sharma is.
Mark Sharma. is insane.
अरे वो शर्मा जी के बेटे से इंस्पायर हुए अच्छे मार्क्स लाते थे उसका नाम मार्क
Oh.
Marks or Sharma, like both are like going to like hit together at once.
ये उसके बाप को बोला था तू क्या करेगा सुहागरात के दिन में मार्क्स लेके आऊंगा
He's a very good friend of mine.
Sorry, I didn't know
He
that. Sorry.
probably will be one of few people who will
If
see
you are-
this.
if you are-
Mark Sharma. We root for you.
Throw an M. Fuck.
कुछ हो जरूरत हो तो बता देना शर्मा लो Mark my words.
So, what's going on, guys? Like, otherwise,
Otherwise, I have to go home.
Yeah,
मुझे
to
सिडनी
go.
स्वीडनी की अच्छी
fuck man.
Otherwise, it's Man City 2, Juventus 1.
What? What that?
Yeah, it's-
that's
it's-
his. Oops.
So it's much more. This is a better quality than
Yeah.
mine. Because
But
mine
like
is
then
a
Because
Chinese one.
it's working.
Not just that, but इसका एक ही ड्रॉबैक है सिंगल चैनल है तो दिस इज
Yeah.
मोर ऑफ एन amp mic for instruments and shit, right?
Oh.
Oh, so
It's because this guy
I'm
spits-
asking, not stating.
No, you're right. It is for that.
so
I think इसमें दो outputs लग सकते हैं. I think गिटार का लग सकता है.
but not two
Speaker
mics.
का amp का.
How will you
That's it.
speak into a guitar, bro?
Guitar also speaks.
इसके पीछे है. दो
Okay.
ports हैं.
Alright.
so
whenever you connect a guitar, it's the plug like a earphone.
yeah, you had this amp right at home.
Amp? No,
I mean this what do you call plug-in? for the
yeah,
amp.
that's just in the headphone.
Yeah.
That's it.
Oh, that's for headphone.
I had that guitar wala amp
Hmm.
where you put that in, and I had an acoustic guitar, not even an electric.
Oh.
So we had that clipper, and we did that on the guitar, and then I said,
Tuition
"Tring."
जाता था क्या तू?
Yeah, I had gone to guitar class
Nice,
too.
but that's good, bro. I would love to learn guitar when
It's
my
fun.
mind was fresh, like
fun.
a young, fresh mind. कुछ कचरा नहीं है अभी बहुत कचरा भरी है फोकस नहीं
तो
होता
अभी क्यों नहीं सीखे?
गिटार ही नहीं है
That is never an issue, bro. You sign up for a
ब्रो मेरे पास पूरा सेटअप है मैं कभी भी चाहिए तो बीट
देखो स्विमिंग आता है ना
नहीं
स्विमिंग पूल
ब्रो if you
Party babe, Juvich,
बाजू में
बाजू में ही है.
if you throw me in a pool it's over
you have a phobia for water.
no I'm dead bro I can't swim
So
Learn. It's easy.
It's
What's the use of such a body, bro?
it's fucking heavy bro it sinks it sinks bro
That's nothing, bro.
There are two things now: swimming and guitar.
ये सब बस दिखावा है ये बस
Okay, swimming.
इंस्टाग्राम के लिए
guitar.
बना ली बॉडी बस
swimming, guitar, and what else would you want to learn but you didn't get to learn?
Do you want to learn swimming?
no
Why? Why wouldn't you want to learn
I thought so.
Why wouldn't you learn, bro? There is no age to learning swimming.
Yeah.
Bro. Swimming is a life skill, bro.
Yeah, like
What
survival
if tomorrow you are at a beach, maybe it's your honeymoon, bro, and your wife pulls you into the because he's that kind of shit.
Ooh.
about to get married.
Ooh, the
okay
Five divorces later.
okay who's that poor girl
Anyway.
Let's say you're in Thailand, bro.
so
So,
is that a
it's a
girl
beach.
Hey!
do I need to find a surprise in my bed later on
Me love you long time.
So actually, what if
1,000 baht.
Okay.
What if
सुहाग रात
she
के दिन बोल रहा we should just be friends.
what if she takes you to the beach and then you find out that little surprise? Then you need to know swimming to run away from it. So
I mean, ठीक है, चल. It's such a situation which you couldn't have escaped, and it involves a large water body.
like normally अगर तू cruise पे गया और वो ship को कुछ Titanic हो गया, what would you do?
I'll fucking die.
So
But
you want to?
You don't want to survive. You don't want
yeah,
to.
that's what.
I'm like this. I'm dead.
So
I'll be back.
I mean,
Dude,
you
but
know,
like-
it's so bizarre that people compare Titanic to a fucking proverb which goes like, everybody say the Titanic was a tragedy, but the lobsters had the best day.
it's true, it's true. सब बुरे में किसी का तो अच्छा होता है. So it is true. Yeah, bro.
Yo, but like coming back to swimming.
Yeah.
I'll tell you one of the.
Why the fuck?
No, you don't know because swimming is important. Fucking swimming is important. Okay, swimming is
Be
important.
swimming in that pool.
Like I learned how to swim in Saudi, like whatever it was.
Why would
Saudi-
you-
wait. Yeah, swimming pools were there. Like
Like what on a fucking do?
friends taught me who knew how to swim.
They
They taught me how to swim over there. And then there were beaches also. We wouldn't go that deep, but at that point, after learning, like yeah, and since it's like salty water, like
of course
you
it's
can
a
like
beach, bro.
just float that
Yeah,
easily.
yeah,
don't
So
get
it,
salty.
it becomes easier to like
Yeah.
learn how to swim.
Yeah.
Now coming back, like we had gone for a trip to Thailand,
Yeah.
and two of the activities that we were doing over there was snorkeling
Yeah.
and scuba diving.
Okay.
What's the difference?
The difference is
Snorkeling
okay.
is
No, I know, but I want you to explain.
Yeah, so you would be putting me under pressure.
So what requires
Wrong.
more pressure?
Huh?
Snorkeling or scuba diving?
Okay, so the difference between snorkeling and scuba diving is that in snorkeling you just have a snorkel that holds air from above this water surface.
Okay.
All right, so you hold in breath from
Tom
there,
and Jerry ass shit.
go
you
and
know.
go down, see whatever you want, go back up, and you get this, and like while still looking down.
Oh.
But scuba diving is when you wear the full tank.
जिंदगी ना मिलेगी दोबारा.
Yeah.
जिंदा हो तुम.
Yeah. So you're constantly swimming inside the water.
जिंदा हो तो
Hmm.
दिल आखिर तू क्यों रो दुनिया में
Okay. So anyway.
Yeah. Back to
Swimming.
it. Why I'm saying it's so important. The first time I just saw it from snorkeling, like what the ocean bed looks like, you cannot top
It's
that.
beautiful, yeah.
It is beautiful. It is so clear, and you can see everything. It is a really great experience, and just because you don't know how to swim, you can still experience it. But knowing how to swim will
Bro,
just
so
better yourself.
one of the things that I really want to do in my, like probably I'll do it in next year or so, next couple of years for sure,
Yeah.
is that there's this course which happens on the Neil Island, Andamans.
Hmm.
It's a 7-day course, costs around 30K or so. It gives you an international scuba license.
Nice.
So
Oh.
wherever you go, you can just take a tank and like hop into the ocean.
Oh damn, bro.
Bro.
Nice.
And you can explore however you want.
Yeah.
So I've been meaning to do that.
I've done snorkeling in
That's
Andaman.
But imagine if these
Beautiful.
guys have been explaining
See,
that.
if it's like that, I would love to swim.
It is.
Bro, and a lot many perks like these you can get to yourself with a simple license by paying a fee and learning that skill. Like even P1, P2, P3 paragliding, bro. देखो पता है अपने it is such an underrated hobby right now, especially for us Mumbaikars,
Hmm.
because we can go to Bir.
Hmm.
ठीक है, बिर जाके ऐसा कोर्स होता है कि आप P1, P2 का
Hmm.
would cost you around 70,000 or so.
Hmm.
ठीक है, but you can fly. You can
Oh.
actually fly. You can actually run
I've
alone.
done it, but it was with a pilot.
Yeah, so that pilot can do it
Without that.
alone, right?
Yeah.
So you can do that, and
Bro, it
okay,
feels insane.
now you would say कि okay, but for like You'll crib about that for every time I want to fly. You'll have to come to where? No, bro. We got Kamshet nearby. You can go to Kamshet. You can take a flight back home if it came to be
400 kilometers.
easy.
Yeah.
Maybe not that much. Half a way there for sure. Or Birga though, bro, there is this there was this creator, I don't remember the name. He came for the flying season, which is around October. He took
October.
October is said to be the flying season.
Clear skies, maybe.
Maybe something.
It's like post like monsoon.
Yeah.
maybe.
Yeah. Whatever. Like it's clear weathers, you can like fly
Yeah.
around more. So he took a flight from Bir, flight as in actual flight. Went to Manali, camped there for 2 days. Took a flight another day from Manali.
Where did he land in Manali?
In between a jungle
Wherever
and a
the
mountain
flight
top or something. Like somewhere inaccessible via trek, I feel. Like you could only reach there by flying. Okay? At least it looked like that. So he camped there for a day, made
Jeez.
coffee in the morning,
The
packed his shit up.
Like
and
the
again
full,
took a flight.
Explorer
Bro,
experience.
this is more than exploring, bro.
This
You
is like free will.
This-
It's a free will. Man, I'm gonna be. I want to come back to the swimming pool. I have one more point. I have just one more point to say. So much. Just this one point. It is such an excellent point to make to you right now.
Okay.
You have a really great physique for swimming.
Bro, I'm fucking fat.
No, you do have a great physique and you have great
Saying a
this.
point.
You have good this what do you call lung capacity already.
What?
You have good cardio.
How?
You have good cardio.
How?
You just do. You just have better
How the fuck do
cardio.
you do that?
Yeah, you.
Even
You
I
you
don't
explained on many instances why you have good cardio. Okay.
Okay.
That's what I have to say. So on all these terms, you are only missing technique and breathing. That's all. These two things only you need to know, and you're good to go.
Swimming.
You're good to go for swimming. You have everything else. That's my final
What
point.
if I don't want to? What if I don't want
Then
to?
die. Die, bro. Mar ja.
if so, this is like a proof that if
You
anyone
know, even in my dreams, I don't die swimming.
देखो क्या
That's
dry
how-
dreams आते हैं क्या लवड़ी?
Sorry, want a break from the ads? Hello. नहीं कल छुट्टी नहीं है क्यों? Yeah, no. All of us like are from the same workplace. We all are going back there, so we are shooting like a podcast right now. Yeah. Anyways, you took a leave. क्यों? Back का. अच्छा. Anyways, चल I'm like kind of booked on Saturday, but like Sunday कुछ करना है?
पॉडकास्ट के बीच में प्लान्स बना रहा हूँ.
ये वो अंकल है वो पीवीआर में किधर भी जाएगा नहीं उनका जाएगा जो फोन उठाएगा वो बात
Okay, cool.
And
No worries.
everyone,
Beach movie
no,
में.
everyone I don't know what happens in
Sunday
late
सुबह?
night shows ना बच्चों non confrontation लोग बहुत
Don't
like,
no,
जो
don't
लोग
think.
होते हैं ना, they're very
Mom hasn't
non-confrontational,
met you,
like,
ना why?
don't give a fuck so you know what they do they like
नहीं Saturday मत कर. Saturday she's coming in the morning. Sunday ऐसे.
और फिर वो ऐसा
Sunday?
popcorn का बैग ना
चल देखते हैं फिर. You let me know.
like they make
On
faces and
Saturday
shit
night.
like, but nobody will say anything.
But why? Why
Chal,
is that?
chal.
I think people should stand up to such.
Sorry about that.
Sometimes there's one
So you were talking about how people should stand up against people who irritate others in a public place.
Just like you were doing right now.
My apologies.
Shout out.
So basically what we are saying is whenever you go to a movie theater like a nice one late night show
हाँ.
there will be one person जिसको कॉल आएगा
हाँ.
पता नहीं कौन कॉल करेगा और हमेशा अंकल रहता है पता नहीं अंकल लोग
हाँ.
लेट नाइट जाके क्या करते हैं
Been there.
ठीक है and
Not
they
that
start
bad.
speaking on the phone like but you can hear it and sometimes they like just start like, or whatever but उनको कोई कभी कुछ बोल नहीं पाता. People will make snark, you know, some noises or whatever,
कुछ
kiss
बोलते
their
हैं
teeth
क्या?
and stuff like that. But कोई ऐसा explicitly बोलेगा नहीं कि सुन तू ना चूतिया एक नंबर है. Like तू मर जा लौड़े. We fucking paid for this so that we can escape our reality outside. और तू वो यहाँ पे लेके आ रहा है, हमको भी सुना रहा है.
Bro, but I also feel that yeah, that people should be more upfront like that.
Yeah, like see.
Like at least because see there are unsaid rules of a lot of places.
Yeah.
Unwritten, unsaid, whatever you can say. Like if you're going to a pilgrimage or a temple site, you are expected to be silent. Samjhana, like what's the
Read the
scene?
room.
So I guess theater room
When in Rome.
etiquettes are, you know, like that British guy who comes
And you know,
teaches
it's not just an
etiquette.
unwritten rule. They show it before the movie. Please silence your
Yeah.
phones, which means that you're not supposed to talk on your phone. Then why the fuck are you doing it?
और एक चीज है चल ठीक है like when the national anthem comes on ठीक है
Oh, bro.
you know what happens is ना they will like please stand for the national anthem like okay ठीक है यार वैसे तो सोचते नहीं इतना देश के बारे में कभी न्यूज़ में पढ़ लिया whatever but this is the time okay oh we are all Indian amazing देख रहे हैं हम लोग टॉम क्रूज को but we are all Indian right now okay
Wait, Jonathan,
Jonathan
Jonathan.
क्या चल रहा है?
Man City 2, Juventus 1.
I think we can wrap it up.
It's going on right.
You want to make a cameo? Quick.
and she asks
Wrap it
she
up.
asks if you would like to use
Would you like to make a small cameo?
yeah I'd wrap it up
वापस
We'll
बाहर
wrap it
जाओ
up.
वापस अंदर आओ.
What cameo you want me to make?
We were talking about
Kind of
marks
flash.
also.
Any
We were talking about marks at the moment. So
What's
would you
marks?
like people named Mark?
Like,
you know when he
Marks
comes
and
Yeah.
in
Sharma.
na
He
And-
told me a story about. I mean, he just
Mark
told.
Sharma, there's a guy named Mark Sharma.
Now we have interesting Mark stories. Would you like
He
to?
just found out Kevin is a very common name in Gujaratis.
Apparently.
Kevin is a common
Yeah.
in Gujarati.
Yeah. I have a friend named Kevin
चल
Kala.
बीच में.
तो 25 साल से मैं गुजराती
Book में
हूँ
पानी.
मैंने कभी नहीं सुना
Kevin Kala?
No, you're not a Gujarati.
I also had a Chinese friend named Kevin.
Kevin Kala.
Kevin Chu.
Kevin Chu. is
Yeah.
it? चल बीच में
Chinese
लेके आ
friend.
इसको.
Kevin Chu.
ए चल ना.
I can't sit right in the center.
चल
Okay,
ना.
sit on the phone.
सब कांची वांची नाम रहता तो समझता मैं जो केविन क्या है
ठीक.
We have a guest here.
Jonathan.
It's John Ten
My
John
bad.
Ten.
is your
Jonathan. So
About marks.
yeah, what can you tell about
Kevin's in Gujarati?
Yeah.
Never knew Kevin's.
It's a very common name.
Never met Kevin's before, bro.
Like-
Like, Gujarat, like these are like proper Hindu Gujaratis.
Yes.
Yeah, I know. What do you mean?
no it makes sense
Yeah,
More
because
than
it's
There
a
are Muslim
Catholic
Gujaratis.
name. Like I mean, it's a Christian Catholic name, so
Yes.
I'm not really sure. Fuck.
what if does he have mixed parents
Yeah, no.
दोनों गुजराती है
हाँ.
भाई क्या कौन सी
Bro, proper
Komal
Kalki.
Chi हो गया.
केविन स्पेसी के फैन है शायद से गंदा नाम रखा अगर फैन है तो
What's that? What's that movie? No, was it Home Alone, right?
Bro, that guy looks so ugly now.
Macaulay Culkin.
Yeah.
Because he had a drug addiction and then he
Yeah.
recovered
His
now.
brother is in
सड़क पे
Succession.
रहता है
Oh yes, Succession is really good.
बट देख उसने ड्रग्स नहीं किया वो भी सेम दिखता है
Bro, I mean, I can't believe that Kevin McAllister was the epitome of pretty babies back then. How?
What do you mean like pretty big?
Michael Jackson.
Oh.
Yep, cancelled.
But apparently,
Right there.
but
That's cancelled right there.
he like cleared his name later, like Macaulay Culkin. Like when he grew up, like as an adult, he
So
like
good
always
bola.
cleared Michael Jackson's name out. Like he never had those ill intentions.
That's okay, like.
he said that he felt like he's like another kid he
Yeah.
never got to enjoy life like that
Just another kid for Michael Jackson.
because Michael Jackson had a very tough childhood
Bro,
from
the
his
Epstein,
father's perspective.
bro, but the Epstein list kinda ratted a lot of people out. Bro,
I think the Diddy list and the Epstein
Diddy.
list are the same thing.
Diddy.
This is hiding that shit.
See, Diddy list was more like okay, he's that kind of a guy. It was expected of him.
And I say
But
something
Epstein
controversial.
list was like
Let's go
Hawkins.
unfiltered.
I want to see how many people are lapping over in both the lists.
There's a fucking prince in the Epstein list. Like,
Bro,
fucking.
Stephen Hawking.
Wait, I want to hear something. I want to say controversial.
Epstein का जो list है ना,
हाँ.
Cancelled.
Epstein का जो list है ना,
this
is for rich white people.
Okay.
Okay.
Diddy का जो list है ना, is for rich black
Yeah,
people.
of course.
Okay.
Divide and rule, motherfuckers.
I mean, India का list किसके पास है?
Poor brown people.
Probably, bro.
You guys remember that time when Karan Johar like leaked that video of
What
all the
video?
stars?
Yes.
Oh, right,
Vicky
right,
Kaushal
right.
was sitting there like,
It was hard.
What's the Josh? How's the Josh?
Hi sir, hi sir. We raging.
Bro, did you see Malaika Arora?
Oh, yes.
She was done. She was ready for some.
Malaika.
we like
Bro, उसका job क्या है? खाली जिम से बाहर आने का गाड़ी में बैठना। It's a fucking job.
No, why does she walk that way?
Bro, but she won that life after marrying one of the Khan brothers. And getting an offspring that is a Khan. Blood, bro.
Set for life.
Yeah.
She secured the bag.
As we were having a
That
conversation
was the
before
second
about
one.
how
First one
stardom
was
is
Salman's brother.
ending
That
with
was
the
Arjun
Khans.
Kapoor.
वो भी नहीं वो सोचा.
It is, right?
it is.
Stardom
Yeah,
जो
that's
है
it,
वो
it's
end हो
like
रहा है.
useless. They don't
Do
do
you realize
fucking
such
anything.
big of a generation obsessed with these three people?
I have an obsession question.
Same.
Are they still married? Malaika and Arjun Kapoor.
No.
They were never married.
Are they still
Arjun
like?
Kapoor.
Are they still
They aren't
banging?
married.
No,
bro.
they're
Are they still banging?
They are.
So Malaika is single now.
Yeah, bro. go
You
for
have a
it.
shot. Let's go.
And so is Arjun.
That is
That's the
bad.
biggest misfit I can see.
Bro,
We've seen Arjun
Abhishek
Kapoor.
Bachchan probably bagged the woman of the century.
Yeah, bro.
And
That's
still
right.
fumbled.
I didn't know what to do with her.
Bro, seriously.
Salman would never.
Vivek would never.
Oh my god. Oh my
Vivek would never.
Vivek would never. We have a very niche audience here.
Vivek Oberoi fans.
फ्रांस काफका वाले लोग हैं भाई.
Bro, Vivek Oberoi was catching strays for no reason.
Bro,
You got hands for no
Yeah, I
reason.
know.
how
Somebody
many
else
things?
also got hand for no
Bro,
reason.
how many things would the walls of Panvel farmhouse would have seen, bro? Do you realize?
Bro, fun story. Like I have a friend who's been there.
What?
Yeah, I have
He
a
wanted a role from
Panvel
Salman Khan.
But he told me the kind of person Salman Khan is, he's like too chill, bro. He listens to like 80s and 90s English music.
Obviously, he
And,
was.
yeah.
You realize that you are the shit in your prime.
Yeah. I
Like
think-
you
yeah,
are the
that's it.
shit. And other than that, there's no competition.
Bro, it's the perspective. Like we are old. Like
Yeah.
like we are young and he's like really old and we forget that, you know, at that time he probably was ripping to that shit.
Yeah.
And he was still listening to that shit in the gym, like pumping iron and
Oh.
all.
Other than that, also the fact that he has seen so much life to such an extent that probably anything new would be boring for him. Do you realize the kind of life Salman Khan would have had in what, bro?
Turkish
You
would
get
have was a
you.
person than Salman.
Paisa, the illegal activities.
Bro, did you see his recent interview on marriage? He's like, why should I get married?
I mean,
Why are people even asking
Yeah.
No, but he
marriage
gave a-
questions?
This time he actually gave a proper.
He's the bachelor of the country.
Ah,
like,
bro.
why are you asking him about
लोगों को बुरा लगेगा वो शादी
ये
करेगा.
वो आदमियों का रेखा है.
Even he has. So have you seen the Karan Johar interview on Coffee with Karan? That too. No. How? What job would you rank these actresses on?
Housewife.
He calls on the name. He's like housewife. Kareena Kapoor ko.
Damn, bro.
तो मतलब.
I mean, he was kind of right. Like,
Yeah.
that's what's happening.
So he has all the right to be who he is. I think. He's Salman fucking Khan, bro.
I don't know, man. I've heard like so many stories of him being a prick to like like normal people.
But who isn't?
Bro,
Because
it's
I
like-
know,
but like at
This
the end
is
of
this
the-
is hyper exposure and attention before what hyper exposure and attention was. देखो समझ रहा है?
Yeah, man. Like
See, starting में ना ये लोग सब लोग nice होते हैं, फिर उनको ना एक टाइम के बाद पता चला कि fuck you money दो।
हाँ.
मैं कुछ भी कर सकता हूँ, और मैं अब
Bro,
कुछ
he has
नहीं
so
कर
many
सकता।
connections
And then it gets to
and
their
shit.
head, bro.
And then they go overboard.
He's
with it.
chilling with
Yeah.
Cristiano Ronaldo and the Sheikh of.
Yeah.
वो ऐसा बैठ रहे हैं Cristiano and his girl and he's like
Fuck.
I relate.
I relate.
कौन सा third wheeling कर रहा हूँ
What
मैं?
about that thing, man?
Yeah, bro.
Yeah.
So many side quests, bro. So many side quests.
Shout out to the Bhai fans, you guys winning.
Bro, he's big in the Middle East. He's actually like Bollywood is big in the Middle East.
Yeah.
Bollywood is big in a lot of countries, bro.
Yeah, it is very underestimated.
Bro, like.
Virat
आधी
Kohli had
KGO की
spoken
movies
also.
वही छोड़ दी।
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Virat Kohli had spoken about once he was in Switzerland or some country over there, right on top. And out of all the people he could run into in a coffee shop was one Sardarji. And he was like, सब भरे पड़े हैं, Indian सब भरे पड़े हैं, सब जगह पे.
Is there everywhere? Man?
And he thought one place where he could like have that, privacy.
Yeah.
नहीं. And then
नहीं.
Sardarji was like, hey, खत्म.
It's true, bro. It's true.
Bro, for Virat Kohli, bro, it must be so
उसका
difficult, bro.
surname भी कोहली था।
Bro, इसका
उसको एक
apartment
potato
is
मिला
there, by the way.
1947 home का.
His apartment is over here.
He lives in home, Worli, na?
No,
नहीं, नहीं,
Homeland
it's-
1947.
There's another apartment over here.
Oh, must be, bro.
Yeah.
Only he could have.
My friend actually stays opposite to
Oh.
his place.
This
You
one
can
के
actually like
पास
peep into.
नहीं इधर ही
You can peep
Rail
into
Dragon की
his,
सामने.
Bedroom or something.
Not bedroom, in his balcony.
Does he have a cupboard?
Crazy.
Yeah.
I don't see.
She has seen him.
What?
She has seen him.
Obviously. So, yeah.
He's taking a piss.
Sure. Hey.
No, he's not taking a piss.
He was going to.
Okay, let's put him inside.
Damn.
Cut.
Crazy.
Got ready. Must
He was like,